Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been scouring the internet. I've been checking out all LiTime's batteries, see which ones I think are the best and most suited for different applications. And I think this one is one of the most versatile, suited for every application. It's got a built-in BMS, all kinds of different things, 560 amp hours, and a metal case. Pretty cool battery, and it's got a huge discount, so I really couldn't help but highlight it on today's video. But if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You can get an additional discount on this. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So for everybody else, let's take a closer look. We got high capacity for home storage and off-grid living. You got 12 volt, 560 amp hour. That's so much power. This LFP battery is designed for high demand energy scenarios like home storage, off-grid cabins, RV, and solar systems. Not to mention, if you threw this in an overlander, you'd have probably more power than anybody else. Massive 560 amp hour capacity provides reliable, long-lasting power to meet your energy intensive needs. Built for durability and efficiency, it's a perfect solution for sustainable living. Power your home or off-grid setup with confidence. You got reliable energy storage built to last. You got 7,168 watt hours. Wow, that's a lot of power. Actually, I have two smaller 12 volt batteries, 230 and 280 amp, and this is even more than that. Wow, that's a lot of power. The other thing is that my batteries can't put out as much power as all this can in one. This can put out 3,200 watts, no problem. Not only when you upgrade your battery size, you upgrade your output, you can get bigger inverters. You got LiTime's 250 amp BMS built in. They got 20 plus BMS protections, keeping this battery safe and keeping it lasting a very long time for you, including their low temp cutoff protection. That is the big one. You don't want to degrade your battery life. So if the battery is too cold, it will tell you, it will prevent you from hurting your battery and keeping your battery lasting a long time, basically foolproof. You got EV grade LFP battery cells, 4,000 plus cycles at 100% depth of discharge, meaning you can charge and discharge this battery over 4,000 times before you even notice a capacity difference. And you can continue to use it after that. They rate these at 10-year lifespan. They give a 5-year warranty on these, and realistically, you could use them a lot longer than that. You got the metal SPCC case, which is awesome. It's very rugged, can handle a hit or two. So you can get 4 in parallel forward series up to 114 kilowatt hours. So the EV grade LFP battery cells that offer unmatched durability and eco-friendly performance with 4,000 plus cycles at 100% depth of discharge, 6,000 plus at 80% depth of discharge, and 15,000 cycles at 60% depth of discharge. That's what I'm talking about. These batteries are going to last a very long time for you. Delivers over 10 years of lifespan, easy, no maintenance, reducing replacement costs, green, safe, and stable. It's perfect choice for sustainable energy solutions. Kind of a no-brainer because you don't have to replace this battery for so long. And the price isn't even that high compared to lead acid. In lead acid battery setups, you're not going to get this advanced protection. These BMS have so many different protections, from overcharge, over discharge, overcurrent, overheating, low temp, short circuit. So even if you make a mistake with the battery, it's going to keep it safe. And if it does shut off, you got your auto recovery. You got huge capacity output. So most of the time, you're not even going to have a problem with this battery. You got 250 amp continuous discharge or charge rate. You can charge or discharge this battery very quickly. And you got pre-charging function, which is great. That means that you can hook this battery up to inverters and you don't have to worry about using a transistor or anything like that to prevent the damage to your inverter or other equipment. And it's got salt spray proof casing. This battery is extremely versatile. LiTime definitely checks all the boxes. They are not shorting you or cutting any corners. That low temp protection is a good example. Now, this battery shouldn't be charged or discharged at certain temperatures because it can damage it, especially when the battery is extremely cold. This battery is going to know. It's going to keep you from doing anything to harm the battery. And that SPCC metal casing gives you strength, stability, and longevity. Superior protection against impacts, vibrations, and corrosion. Excellent heat dissipation ensures stable performance even under heavy loads, making it ideal for home storage. And this is a lithium iron phosphate battery. It's not a lithium ion battery. These are great and they're very safe. It is high energy density, which you need to be safe with, but you do not have the issues with explodable chemistry with lithium ion batteries. The chemistry inside lithium iron phosphate batteries is not explodable. The chemistry is inexplodable by nature. So this one battery can meet all your power needs. You don't have to worry about multiple batteries, fuses, and breakers and wires. This is 560 amp hour battery all in one. And you get huge power output of 3,200 watts continuous. That means that you can hook up your bigger inverters. I know a lot of people have made the mistake of buying big inverters thinking that they can hook up big stuff to it. but they only got a 100 amp hour battery. It can only put out 100 amps. Now this is a 560 amp hour battery with a lot of battery storage, and it can put out 250 amps, handling those higher wattage devices. And as with all these LFP batteries, you can charge with DC to DC chargers directly from your car. So this is great for RVs and on-road setups. You can charge the battery using an AC to DC charger with your generator, which can hook up a nice silent generator for you. Think about that. If you're camping somewhere where you're only allowed to use generator for an hour or two, but you want power all day, use that hour or two to charge this battery up, and you can use this battery all day long or for multiple days. And of course, you got your LFP battery chargers, which are great. You can hook those into the wall at your house, or you can get an MPPT, which charges this battery using solar panels. All this stuff is pretty easy to set up too, in my opinion. So this is a versatile energy for every scenario. You got your off-grid, RVs, campers, trailers, home energy solutions, solar systems. Maybe you got a farm or something, you're trying to sell energy back to the grid. You're gonna need batteries either way for your energy storage system. So this is gonna be versatile and useful in that situation, as well as marine, because it's got that SPCC case that is corrosion resistant. And you get unmatched support. I would have to agree with that. LiTime's been great to work with. Plus they get 5-year warranty on these batteries. And when was the last time anything offered 5-year warranty? These things are very well built, and LiTime's very confident in their product, obviously. So right now the price dropped huge. Is basically why I like to do these videos. Right when the price drops, try to give you guys a heads up on that. Plus you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over this page, get that deal, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free just by clicking the subscribe button. But make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals and new technology.